about to have a pizza party for all our employees, and I turned my robot on to see if he wants to go out there and hang out with them. I keep just asking them what they want right now, and I've just been, while they've been making me money all day, I've been working on this stupid robot. He really likes you guys. Why does he come to you every time and just want to make love to your chair? Why does he like you so much?
Oh, my majesty. It also likes me.
No, I think he's just trying to tell you to move. I think he's just telling you to get out of his way. See why he does that? He does that because his last eye over there is not recognizing you. And he has to have, all three eyes have to see you in order for him to decide that he should go backwards. And this eye doesn't see anything. And neither does this one because he's right on top of you. He's really trying to ask you, will you please move? Will you please just lift your foot? Just let me go.
Yeah, it is moving now. Now it can see.
Let me just give him some little help. There you go. See, at least he's got some friends that will help him out and not just stand in front of him like, hey, fuck you.
Are you periscoping?
No, I should be periscoping though. I'm just taking a video on Kita.
Why don't you put a sensor at the back? And that way it can sense if anything somehow a stool or somebody stands behind it, you're able to know that there's someone behind it and it should be able to take a turn.
Yeah, I gotta put some sensors like right on the side too, and then I have to figure out some recognition algorithm whenever he decides to go in some corner, like he's about to do. He's about to go to the corner, and then he's just gonna stay there forever.
Thinking that if I can get the values updated to a database, then it can map the entire area. It will just feed each and every database. For sensor 1, will put one value to one table, and then for sensor 2, something like that. So when you are commanding it to reach back to a particular position, it will look for the path where it will have no obstacle, and then it can move very fast.
Okay. Well, we can definitely try that. Right now, I have to figure out how to make him not be in love with corners so much. I'm gonna go outside too. It says Tier 5. I think he's stuck again. I'm gonna go out. Now we'll just have to see where he goes. Maybe he'll go get in an elevator. This is what I've done all day today while everybody's been working. I've just played with my robot.
You can do one thing. If it's not able to detect any kind of obstacle from the 3 sensors, make the rotation 360 degrees so that it can run fast. And whenever it come across any kind of obstacle, it will slow down.
Yeah, see, we could do that if we actually, if we programmed the, and I don't know how we would do it with the IR sensors, but we could program them on some type of interrupt. But ideally he would be in some loop right now, right? Because he doesn't see, I've got his distance set at 100, so he doesn't see anything 100 centimeters in front of him. So right now he should just be on a loop where he continuously goes until
comes across something.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not taking the full limit. We should run now.
See, I did increase his time to a second. If he doesn't see anything in front of him for 100 centimeters, he should just move forward for a second and then think again, which he moves a lot faster now, but not as near as fast as he should be. He shouldn't be stopping, right? He should really just keep going and going and going.
So why don't you remove the time delay? Let's give it a try. It may work. Because it's every time it's thinking that, okay, after 1 second I need to do this. So you can just remove that time.
Well, I'm not really sure. We'll have to rethink the code. I definitely have to rethink the code as far as in the main loop what he's doing. Like he's gonna get on the elevator with that girl.
Let's give it a try. I know something that way.
He didn't make it. I think his batteries are dying though.
Use some lithium-ion batteries to give it more power.
Yeah, it needs something other than these cheap. It definitely needs something other than these cheap batteries.
These double batteries would run out soon. Lithium-ion. You can write logic and if it detects something on the left and something on the front, it should take some steps back.
Well, that's what it does right now. Is if it detects right now, what it does is if it detects all three sensors, then it comes back. So he's got a threshold, and if he detects all three sensors, less than his threshold, then that's what he does is he comes back. But every time he gets in a corner like that, he just stays there forever. He's pretty much got an infinite decision loop there.
So if we have a sensor at the back, then it can detect okay, there is nothing in.
See, because what he does is he looks and he sees, if I see something in this one, go that way. If I see something in this one, go that way. And he pretty much gets in the infinite loop because the only condition to go backwards is having all three of those sensors see something less than the threshold. So he's just like, he goes there, he sees something, goes back there, sees something, goes back there and sees something, and he just stays in that. He just stays in that loop.
So if we have sensors at the back, then that's the one. So they will tell that okay, your sensor full, that there is nothing behind it. So you can run. You wanted to go with that?
Oh yeah, I want to see if he'll go down those. I think I'm gonna just come down here just in case he decides to go apeshit crazy when he comes down these stairs. Remember, when he's actually moving forward, he doesn't read sensors when he's moving forward. See, he doesn't see anything out of that eye right now. He can't see anything out of that eye right now. But he can see this. He can see this wall here.
Can it see anything?
Yeah, it can see. It's just the way it sees. You have to understand the mathematical range that it actually sees. It's not like our eyeballs where you think it's like, hey, he's got two eyeballs there, so he should be able to see. I mean, he actually only has one eyeball there because one's a transmitter, one's a receiver, so he really only has one eyeball there, and it can't see peripherally like our eyeballs can. It can only see in this little cone like this. Starts out with kind of like a big cone, like a little cone like this, not all out like that, but a cone like this, and then it gets a little bit smaller until it gets like a little bit bigger like that.